Hello, welcome to Sunrise. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of our factory. I will share with you how we deliver high-quality aluminum die casting solutions, and I will share what makes Sunrise different. At Sunrise, we offer a one-stop solutions for many industries. We cover everything from design optimization, mold making, die casting, precision machining to surface finishing. We helped our customers move from concept to mass production efficiently. We are now in our die casting workshop. Our production lines have machines in different sizes, so we can handle small to larger structure components. This year, we've added new equipment like squeeze die casting and gravity casting. This helps us produce high-strength, high-density products. We use vacuum die casting and semi-solid die casting technology. These reduce porosity and improve product consistency and mechanical strength. Throughout the process, we focus on the controlling of the operations to ensure stable production. Next, we are in a shop roasting shop. Here, we clean and remove bolts from the die casting parts. This is the first step in post-processing, making sure parts ready for further work or meet basic surface standards. Now, let's check out our CNC Machining Workshop. We have several 3-axis and 4-axis CNC machines. We handle a wide variety of parts with different sizes and shapes. We also use leak testing equipment, air and water liquid, to ensure parts meet the required sealing standards. By optimizing our tools and fixtures, we've made our processes more efficient and stable. You are now in our precision machining shop. Here, we use Makino precision machines. These are key to achieve high tolerances and handling complex parts. We can machine parts with accuracy of 1.5 micron and a maximum diameter of 34 inches. For each project, we create customer fixtures to ensure everything meets required tolerance. This is crucial for industries like medical devices and precision instruments. After machining, parts go to our cleaning shop. We use Certex 650 for surface cleaning and corrosion protection. This removes any oil and forms a protective oxide layer on the surface. If you need specific finishes, we offer powder coating, electroplating, anodizing, and more. We work with trusted suppliers for this treatment. Our quality is the foundation of trust. Our measurement loom is equipped with top-notch tools like Zeiss 3D CMM projector, 3D scanner, and spectrometer. We use these to check dimensions, material compositions, and surface quality. This is where our staff and engineering team works. When clients send us designs or even just a concept, our engineers use 3D modeling and DFM tools to make sure the design is optimized for production. We focus on making the design not only work, but also be easy to produce. Since 2013, Sunrise has been committed to being a reliable partner for manufacturers around the world. We invested in our employees, upgrade our equipment, and use the latest technology to deliver stable, efficient, and reliable solutions to our customers. What you see here is the result of our continuous improvement and dedication to excellence. We believe that great partnerships start with trust.